beautiful land. Give you a little shot of what's around the area. And town is just up the road. And this is the beautiful backyard. Nothing but woods and a lot of wildlife on 3 acres. So this is the view as we enter the living room. There is a place for a wood burner if you choose to burn green. Notice the windows, the beautiful views. Nice bookshelf. This living room is huge. Nice pass through into the kitchen. This is the first bedroom of 3. New carpet throughout, as well as new fixtures. New laminate flooring throughout. Plumbing. Many updates. New surround. Lots of storage in this house. This is the second bedroom of 3. And as we go into the kitchen area, the floor is so clean, my tennis shoes squeak. Lots of cupboards. This is a split house, meaning the master bedroom is away from the other 2 bedrooms. I don't have an overhead light in this room. That's still in the process of being finished. And then there is also a full basement, plus a garage with workshop area on 3 beautiful acres. Let me show you this view out the back window. Is that not stunning or what? Well, thank you for taking this tour. For more information, call your local realtor.